Telepathy, Intuition, and Insight Training. This is one of my favorite courses to teach. It unlocks your hidden abilities. It unlocks your innate abilities that you've always had. And in this invaluable training, it's designed to last you with benefits for a lifetime, right? It's going to enhance your telepathic and intuitive skills through 5 days of energy attunements before you even go to the workshop. So you'll get these attunements before the workshop. Then you're going to participate in a fun, hands-on, private 2-hour workshop with me where you'll practice and grow your abilities. You also gain tools and techniques that you can use daily for clarity, for decision making and connection, and how you can use your telepathy, intuition, and insight to help others as well as yourself. You're going to receive videos, audios, and a manual to continue studying and strengthening on your own. This workshop is a priceless investment in yourself. Sign up now.